Hello students and welcome to the online platform of our school. Here is your Miss Hemlata back to provide you online classes, and today I am going to discuss about travel and safety. So students, we all love to travel, right? We travel from one place to another. But we should follow some safety rules while we travel. So this lesson is all about travel and safety. So look at the pictures. What is it? This is ship. This is train. This is truck. This is boat. This is car and this is helicopter. So these all are the means of transport. Okay. So we use different vehicles to travel from one place to another. They are called means of transport. Different means of transport are used on land, water and air. Okay. So first we will know about means of land transport. Cars, buses, trucks, trains, cycles, motorbikes and auto rickshaws are some means of land transport. These all are used on land. Okay. A train runs on tracks. We use a train to travel long distances. Some means of land transport such as the bullock cart are pulled by animals. They are mostly seen in villages. Okay. So these all are the means of land transport. Okay. We should often use a cycle to travel. Cycling is good for our health. A cycle does not give out smoke while moving, so it does not make the air dirty. So students, when you have to go a short distance, you should use a cycle to travel, because cycling is also good and cycle does not give out smoke, so it keeps the air clean. It does not make the air dirty. Means of water transport. Ships and boats are called the means of water transport. They run on water. Smaller ships are called ferries and steamers. Also carry people and goods on water. Okay. Huge ships called oil tankers carry oil to long distances through oceans and seas. Okay. Means of air transport. Helicopters, aeroplanes and hot air balloons are means of air transport. Okay, they travel in air. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. We know that aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. So what are the fastest means of transport? Aeroplanes. They are the fastest means of transport. But why? Because they help us to travel long distances in a very short time. It saves our time, right? Helicopters travel to high mountains and dense forest. Okay. They are sometimes used to travel to places where there are no roads. Traveling in hot air balloons is mostly for fun. Would you like to travel in a hot air balloon? Safety rules. Now I will tell you about some safety rules when we travel, and we must follow them. We often hear about accidents, right? That take place when people travel. They can happen on land, water or in the air. So what are the three modes of transport? The three modes of transport are land, water and air. Okay, we travel on these three modes. We travel through three modes: land, water and air. Let us look at some safety rules we should follow when we are on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Do not run or play on the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. This is zebra crossing. You must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay, like this girl. Stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Queue means in a line. You have to stand in a line or in a queue while waiting for a bus. You should not push one another while you board a bus. If you push one another, you will get hurt. Even another will get harmed. So you should not push one another. You should stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. So The different vehicles we use to travel from one place to another are called means of transport. What are means of transport? The different vehicles we use to travel from one place to another are called means of transport. Can you name some means of transport? You have to find it out from your text. Different means of transport are used to travel on land, water and in air. So students, there are three modes of transport. What are the three modes of transport? The three modes of transport are land, water and air. Buses, cars, trains and bullock carts are some means of land transport because they run on land. Ships and boats are means of water transport because they run on water. Aeroplanes and helicopters, even hot air balloons are means of air transport. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport, right? Because they help us to travel very long distances in a very short time. We should always follow some safety rules on the road. So students, you have to learn some safety rules from here and you should apply on you, okay? So students, hope you have enjoyed your class. Bye bye.